Hi friends, this is Vani from Viva So and Style. Hope you all are doing great. It's been a few days since I did a video, but I've been sewing a lot, but I have not been able to find the time to share my makes or do a video. So I've decided to do things a little differently, especially this week. So I have sewed myself 5 things in August and especially to wear to work. So I have decided that every day I will share with you my outfit and how I styled it so that you get some ideas and see that it's possible even for a new sewer to stitch outfits appropriate for work. So let's get started. So this is the very first dress that I'm sharing today. Today is Monday. This is what I wore to my office and I styled it with these black pumps or flat shoes, and they're my absolute favorite shoes. And in a minute, I will put on my blazer and show you how beautiful this dress looks with the blazer. So let me go grab the pattern and show you which pattern this is. So this is my favorite pattern, McCalls 7313. I feel like I want to make 100 of these dresses. I just can't get enough of this pattern. This is my absolute favorite. It's because it's a very easy to sew. I'm able to put together a dress in like 2 hours and the fit comes out fantastic. I mean, this looks like a gorgeous circle skirt and the armholes are where they should be. The neckline is perfect. What more can you ask for? Why can't they do all their patterns like this one? Let me show you the line drawings. So as you can see, there are very few pattern pieces. They give you 2 options for neckline for the front. I always tend to use this one like a beto neckline. Then there is the back, the skirt and sleeve. That's about it. That's all, you guys. So McCall 7313 is an absolute winner according to me. Definitely get this pattern. Now let me just put on my blazer and show how this dress looks with the blazer. So guys, this is how the dress looks with this black blazer. I had purchased this blazer from Costco several years ago for around $15 or $20, I don't remember. And this is a good investment, I feel. The fabric is a stretch knit. I apologize if you're hearing some background noise. There is an ice cream truck going by. And I bought this blazer in 2 colors. This one in black, and then I have one in a burgundy maroon color. So yeah, this is what I've been wearing to work. Any outfit I put on, I just throw this blazer on and I feel so put together. So I hope you liked today's video. It was a short one. Leave your comments, likes and subscribe to my channel. So rest of this week I will be sharing new outfits that I wear to work. Have a good one. Bye bye.